morning everyone, we are Eulàlia and Mireia and we are here today to present our project about how a real startup can gain more downloads to disrupt the fashion industry.
But let's start from the beginning. So how we came up with this idea? We are both passionate about fashion, so we decided to get a deeper insight into this world. Through an exhaustive secondary research, we have discovered relevant information about fashion industry and its trends. Let's see some of the findings.
We have seen that the fashion industry is moving from offline to online. The industry has been changed because of the development of new technologies such as social media. Today, consumers are more time online than offline. Therefore, consumers are better informed and better connected. Digital media is already influences 3 out of 4 purchases and will soon impact the 99% of the sales.
From the consumer's perspective, this industry is characterized by 3 trends: personalization, influencer marketing, and mobile dependency. Personalization is becoming the most important trend in this current year. Basically, it's about meeting the customer needs more effectively and efficiently by making interactions easier and faster and consequently increasing customer satisfaction. Secondly, consumers are increasingly trusting on others to select information for them. So, influencer marketing is the fastest online customer acquisition channel. In the last month, influencer marketing is rising by 400% in Spain. Last but not least, mobile dependency is another trend shifting consumers' lives. Some studies have proved that consumers are spending on average of 6 hours per week on researching fashion on their phones.
When it comes to trends in fashion systems, leading innovators will reveal the possibilities of artificial intelligence across all parts of the fashion value chain, exploring new ways of creating value for those employed in the fashion industry. There is an estimation that 75% of the fashion retailers plan to invest in artificial intelligence in the next coming years. Moreover, fashion industry is now technologically driven, with shoppers and buyers turning to fashion mobile apps. They have become the most effective tool to reach out the target audience. Finally, fashion companies are willing to innovate by adopting startup qualities such as agility, openness, and collaboration. One way to promote innovation is to acquire innovation startups.
Focusing on the Spanish fashion industry, it's characterized by some values like great flexibility, reasonable prices, and customer engagement. The overall industry represents around 3% of Spanish GDP. The consumer is changing, so companies have to adapt their strategies to satisfy customers' needs by making a strong commitment to innovation and digital transformation. Omnichannel, social media, and the rise of influencers are relevant factors that Spanish fashion brands have to take into account in order to be competitive in the market.
And how a real startup can disrupt into this big industry?
This is our challenge. Welcome to Yamaha. Yamaha is a big data gathering platform for the fashion industry through individuals styling pulse app, so it's a B2C2B business. Yamaha makes big data simple and affordable for those in fashion who want to focus on creating rather than in technology. It helps small business tailor the strategy by using predictive analytics.
And where is the magic? Yamaha is a Tinder of outfits which allows the brand to collect data from the interaction of millennials in the app. It uses artificial intelligence, machine learning, image recognition software to extract and treat the data. Yamaha designed a unique, seamless experience for humans based on a strong user experience, and an app that has no language would make it 100% scalable.
After carrying several interviews with the CEOs of the startup, we thought it was a really attractive project, and behind the brand, it was a powerful an idea to disrupt the
Help the brand to grow in order to be successful, we came up with two different solutions. The first one related with co-branding and the second one related with influencers.
Our first proposed solution is doing co-branding to obtain organic downloads. But first, what is an organic download? An organic install takes place when the user discovers and installs your app without any external influence. This type of growth is important for companies because it translates into more revenues and it brings brand loyalty. So we believe that the collaboration of YomeHub with other brands will benefit the company to achieve its objective. But of course, some criteria brands that are willing to collaborate with YomeHub have to meet. Firstly, they have to be disruptive. Also, they have to be founded in Spain. They have to be a startup, and finally, they have to have a green image or ecologic component. We have done some actions to promote co-branding technique. Firstly, we did an observation at Palo Market, Barcelona, to explore how exhibitors interact with clients and to contact with potential partners that are willing to cooperate with YomeHub. Also, we elaborate a list of 117 companies that might be potential partners for YomeHub.
Our second solution that we propose is based on a non-organic strategy. A non-organic strategy or paying style is when the user is incentivized by an external source to download or install the app. During this project, we have noticed that influencers truly influence in the decisions of YomeHub target audience. Since almost all target of YomeHub have an Instagram account, we consider that connecting with the Spanish influencers could be a really beneficial idea to get new followers and thus more downloads. According with the result of our survey, we have created a list of influencers that could help YomeHub to reach its goal. Moreover, we have classified these influencers in three different categories: A, B, and C, based on their reputation and the number of followers. Currently, we recommend to YomeHub to start to work with B and C influencers list, since it has a limited budget. However, in a long-term perspective, we strongly believe that YomeHub should deal with A-list influencers. Apart from these two solutions that we just proposed, YomeHub should continue working in content marketing, which is a cost-effective technique that is increasing app downloads of the company by testing some items through its social media channels.
Finally, we recommend to the company that in order to get more organic downloads, it should translate the text in the App Store profile into Spanish. It will make the content more appealing for Spanish users.
We hope that now you know more about fashion industry
and how a real startup is going to disrupt the Spanish fashion industry with the solutions that we came up in this project.
Remember, fashion is a lifestyle.
Thank you so much.